Hello, everybody. It's Jimmy back in with another Geekcast. I promised this one a while ago, and I'm sorry for not living up to it. So here we go. Let's do it. Just gonna show you how to set up Amazon Echo and the Harmony Hub to basically control your Harmony Hub through your Echo. Basically, what you have to do is you have to set up a skill in the Alexa app. So what we'll do here is a screencasting of it, courtesy of our SideSync app on the Samsung S7 Edge, which I gotta say, love it. I have no regrets in selling my iPhone 7 Plus for the S7 Edge. It's beautiful. Right now it's sitting on my wireless charger and I'm streaming it all to my Windows 10 desktop here now. Yeah, I did a full switch around again. I got rid of the Mac Mini. Do miss that video card inside of it compared to this little bricks I have, but this bricks I'm going to add a eGPU eventually here through it, since it does have a Thunderbolt 3 port along with 4 USB 3.1 ports. Woo woo! Anywho, sorry. So here we go. I'm just basically showing right now, you're seeing my S7 Edge through SideSync. Samsung made a great app. I'm amazed that actually it works as well as it does. So what we have to do here, first thing I already have set up, so we're gonna have to disable it first off. So we're gonna start all over just like we were before. And this is kind of basically you have to do at times if you want to change a lot of things in it or add new activities in Harmony Hub. You have to basically disable it and remove all the previous all of our previous things we've added. So let's see here. Oh no, what's going on? That was weird. Sorry, weird. Okay. Where's my... Oh, I went too far. You need to go to Smart Home. I should probably plug in USB right now to make it work a little better here. But for now, we're just going to scroll. So these are all the devices I got to forget here first. This is kind of painful at time to do. It's like anything right now with smart devices and home automation is that it's a lot of work you gotta do to set everything up at times. It's getting better every few months, but still we're not too that's super crazy ease of use. As you see, I have various activities set up, channels that are favorites in my Harmony Hub app, devices that are in the Harmony Hub app too. Boop, 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 boop. Using it at times is kind of hit or miss too, because with Harmony, like since the first Harmony remotes I made, even it's if you use anything outside of their ecosystem to control your devices, it's going to be out of sync with how it's going to actually work. So it's par for the course of how Harmony has Hub has worked forever since they were invented, which is annoying but understandable, because if you don't have direct inputs to devices and are using a cycle-based input, you can't predict where you were if you didn't use the same program to do it. So understandable. Anyway, way too much explaining. So we're back like as if I never had this. First off, let's take a look at the Harmony app. Oh, I have a touchscreen. So basically, if you have a 2-in-1 touchscreen device or even a touchscreen desktop like I do, you can use like your Android phone, Samsung phone on it, like as if the device is an Android device almost. It's not, I mean, there's a little lag input wise, but not bad. So here we go. This is a list of all my activities I have and devices. I pull in my Harmony stuff, or I mean my Philips Hue stuff, but I don't really have anything set up since, I don't know, you get too many apps involved, it gets too confused. So, okay. So there we go. We've now removed, we're starting over like scratch as if we just set up Harmony, the Harmony app itself, and as if we have our Echo working as we should. Alexa, weather.
In Minneapolis, it's -2 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast calls for more of the same, with a low of -8 degrees.
Yeah, we motherfucking hardcore in Minnesota. Or we stay inside and then wear lots of layers outside. Okay, so open up your, Alexa app or Echo app. We'll want to go to skills. We'll need to add the skill, of course, I believe. And here we go. Let's do this quick. We'll get the Harmony app here. We're going to enable it. Okay, so I'm all logged in here. Well, that kind of sucks in a way because I've already set this app skill up before and restarted, which is awesome actually. Good job, Amazon. So here we go. We're just gonna keep on through the app here. So basically, this is where you set up the name that you can call. As you notice up here, it says Alexa, turn on. I had to wait for my Echo not to do anything. Sorry. And then this is the phrase that, like, say, DirecTV would be what I would turn on to watch my DirecTV. And this is referring to an actual activity within the Harmony app. So I like that one. I like PSVR. Apple TV, soundbar, music, actually. Oh, that's right. It doesn't work. There's certain phrases obviously you can't use because it's used by Amazon itself, the Echo. Gymflix, yeah, Rock Band, okay. There we go. So there's our activities. Next is our TV favorites. These are, in order to get these accessible, you actually have to set up your favorite TV's channels in the Harmony app for your input if you have a TV or DirecTV or whatever. I have DirecTV since I live in a condo and I have to pay for it no matter what, so honestly it's not too bad. I can do the DirecTV app now anywhere, which totally caught 5 years ago. Told them they should have started doing this with, when there's weather delays to have it switch to an IPTV feed, which we're going to see probably next year. Sorry, I've been drinking some whiskey tonight and I tend to veer. So this, we'll just do, yeah. That looks good. Good enough for me. Next year. Ah, yes. See, this phrase here will turn off everything. Just in case you want to know. The best part, though, is what you should do after you do this is go back into your home automation. Sorry, it takes so long. Go to smart home here again. I have a thing called everything, and I love this. I leave my bed light on because I like to have that on if I'm gonna go to bed. Even I have it at 5%. But let's see here. Let's go back quick. Oh, I forgot one step here. Sorry. Again, this is why we're not quite there yet. Obviously, I'm making a video for this. What we gotta do now is we actually have to, after we do all that work in the skill, we have to now go back to our smart home here and do discover devices. This will now find the new devices that are created in that skill and then allow us to add each of them to our smart home. And once we do that, we can then add those actual actions to various groups if you want to. So like you could do movie and have it actually change all your lights and do your movie with Harmony, and all by your voice. Hello, Star Trek. So there you go. They're all there now. And we'll continue this video on my actual iPhone here. And I guess I could use my S7 Edge since I don't need a screen card. So let's give it a roll. Alexa, turn on DirecTV.
Okay.
We'll see if it hits the inputs right. This will always have issues initially. No, that's my Apple TV. Oh, that's a good sign. All right. Okay. Alexa, turn off living room.
Okay.
This is the moment I've been training for. Lock down the house. I'll mobilize the
Alexa, turn on Discovery Channel.
Things others don't see.
Can you read me, Bald Eagle?
Loud and clear, Mother Goose.
Alexa, turn on Discovery Channel.
Okay.
Ah, Street Outlaw's nice. Alexa, turn on Carrie 11.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on Apple TV.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off living room.
Sorry, I couldn't find a device or group named Living Room OO in Ginny's account.
Yeah, that was me. Alexa, turn off window 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off couch.
Okay.
Not bad. So, yeah, I mean, it's a little bit of work to do, but once you do it, it's worth it. So, hopefully that helped you get going. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section, of course. I'll try to answer. And go home automation and go Amazon. Peace.